Roll your slab out slowly and alternate directions. This ensures that the clay particles spread evenly, which makes a stronger slab. Picking out the right rib is a matter of preference. Compare the hard black rib to the soft red rib. These can be used to smooth out the clay surface. Alternatively, a bendy metal rib can be used to smooth. I prefer a soft rubber rib to smooth my slabs. Side note, pop any air bubbles with a needle tool. Smoothing out clay will make them more evident. Smooth out in a cross-hatch-like alternating directions movement. This erases irregularities and holes by compressing the clay particles into a stronger bond. In addition to making a stronger slab overall, it also gets rid of that distracting canvas texture.